Position of adverbs of time. Like all other adverbs, the adverbs of time mostly occur in the last position. I went for a movie yesterday. I saw Michael today. She stayed at her grandma's place for a week. He taught poor kids for several years. Halley's Comet appears after every 76 years. So, adverbs yesterday, today, for a week, several years, and after every 76 years tells us about the time of the action, and they are placed at the end in all the sentences. And when we want to highlight the time in a sentence, we put an adverb in the first position followed by a comma. Yesterday, I went for a movie. Today, I saw Michael. For a week, she stayed at her grandma's place. For several years, he taught the poor kids. After every 76 years, Halley's Comet appears. In these sentences, the adverbs of time are placed in the beginning and are followed by a comma. In these sentences, the time of action is more important than the actual action itself. So, when adverb of time comes in the beginning of a sentence, the tie of the action is more important than the action itself. Now let's learn one more thing about using the adverbs of time. We need to tell how long the action ran, is running, or will run. We use the conjunction for. And if we want to express the starting point of some action or event, we use the conjunction since. Now let's see some examples. We exercise for 2 hours every day. They are practicing yoga for 2 hours daily. They have lived in Toronto for a long time. He has been practicing cricket for 3 months. He will be staying with us for a week. So we use for to express the duration of an action. Now let's see the usage of since. I have been studying since 5 o'clock. I have been practicing cricket since February. I have not seen Michael since Sunday. Joseph has been working on his project since January. Now we need to learn one more thing about using the adverbs of time. If we need to use more than one adverb of time in a sentence together, we must remember this formula. How long, how often, when. That is, first the adverb of time, that is, referring to how long an action comes, appear, then how often, and in the last, when. Here are the example sentences. The journal was published monthly last year. In this sentence, we have two adverbs of time, monthly and last year. Monthly answers the question, how often? Last year answers the question, when? So the order is followed. First is how often, and then when. Here we have the next sentence. I stayed at my grandma's place for 2 weeks last year. Here again, we have two adverbs of time, for 2 weeks and last year. For 2 weeks, answer the question, how long? And last year, when? So again, it follows the sequence how long and when. So we have learned a lot about adverbs of place, manner, and time.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!